How to enable voice chat in Roblox. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, open the Roblox application on your device and then tap on the More option on the bottom right of your screen. Here, go ahead and tap on the settings option you see there, and further go ahead and tap on account info and make sure that you have verified your age in here, and if not, then you might need to verify your age in order to enable voice chat. So verify your age and now go a step back to settings homepage and then tap on privacy and content restrictions. In here you will see a bunch of options. Tap on the communication option you see there and then tap on the party and party chat option. Here you will see the option for a party voice chat, so go ahead and set party voice chat to all friends. Now go a step back and then tap on the voice data uses option you see there and toggle on the toggle button for voice data for product improvements option 2, and with this voice chat in your Roblox will be enabled. So this was about how you can enable voice chat on Roblox. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.